on the new VersaLink B625. First thing you'll do is open the front door. The front door opens up and swings to the left. Inside you'll see the orange handle. You just grab that orange handle and pull straight out, and out comes your toner. It's that simple. Now to go back in, you have slides on each side of the toner. And those slides lay right into this little guided area on the inside of the machine. So you'll lay it down into that little slot, give it a nice solid push, and then close your front door. Hey guys, if you want to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. As always, thank you so much to our viewers for watching our how-to videos here at the Printing Workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.